Hello, back with a short update this time around. So we actually did stop working on the map generation and we started looking into an inventory system. And this is it. This is what we got so far. We got like a grid with like some inventory slots. There is no art currently. There is no like visual. It's just this. I do have a list of predefined items and we can add a random item into the inventory. We can have some operations with the inventory. We can move items around, put them on different spots. We can swap items in between. That's always a good one. We can also remove items from our inventory just by dragging them outside. It basically does what it needs to do for now. I'm sure there's going to be like a lot of things that I'm going to need to do in the future for this, but there we go. We got kind of working inventory system. And if I add new items, it's going to fill in the first spot that it finds to be free. Yeah, like I said, short update. See you next time.